and this file path it's showing me the G drive we have here, and the naming Lord Krishna Comp and so on and so forth. This is known as that absolute path, right? So whenever you have a direct path name, that means is what this is called absolute path. So there's a problem with this kind of path because of if I give you this comp, you may not have G drive in your system, right? Or maybe if you have that, doesn't matter. You need to put it in somewhere else, right? So when you are going to open this, you are not, this read file, read node is not going to find this this location right here. So G underscore this slash and so here we can see this path is absolute path. So until and unless we are not going to give you the exact folder structure, you are not going to get this read node. So that means is what you are going some error in it. When you are going to import anything, this is a very good practice that always search for that common folder. This is a common folder and a common folder should be there, right? And search for the common folder, and then before that you need to delete. So we have to keep the common folder, and later on everything will be intact, but the before of that common folder everything should be deleted, because of this is the absolute path portion you have here. All right, so how can I make it happen? So if I delete this, now what will happen? You can see we have some error because of it is not yet relative path. So there is a two-way process of doing so. So if I go to edit and if I search for this project settings, if I expand it to get some room in it, and you can see that we have project directory, and in this project directory nothing is there. If I click on this script directory, you can see it is there now. So this is very easy to do it, that now it is searching that thing. You can come here, and this one is going to give you the perfect result for absolute, for making relative path, right? So if I give you this read node, if I open it, there is no G drive or any kind of C drive, F drive, nothing is there. So there is no problem in because of, as long as you have this import folder, you are good to go. And of course you have to have the import folder, otherwise where we're going to save these things or keep these things, right? So this is how you can have this relative path to get rid of this kind of error messages, missing files and all. So you have to do it. All right, the recap is going to be that, first of all, layer contact sheet is going to be the first thing that you are going to inspect, that what UVs you are having and what UVs you are going to extract. And the second thing is going to be where we are going to save it. So the next lecture I'm going to show you that how we're going to rebuild the UVs and how we're going to use this relative path in all the passes at once, right? So see you in the next class.